Usually I don't do this, but go ahead on break them off with a little previews of the remix. Now I'm not trying to be rude, but hey, pretty girl, I'm feeling you. The way you do the things you do reminds me of my Lexus too. That's why I'm within your grill, trying to get you to a hotel. You must be a football coach. The way you got me playing the field, so baby, give me that doo-doo. Let me get that beat, running my hands through my fro, bouncing on the flows. Why they say that I'm bad? Yeah, the remix to ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every man in here wishing, sipping on coke and rum. I'm like someone drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm about to have me some fun. Bounce, 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 bounce. Now it's like murder, she rolled. Once I get you out the clothes, privacy's on the door, but still they can hear you screaming more. Girl, feel what you feeling. No more hoping and wishing. I'm about to take my key and stick it in the ignition. So give me